Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your Bet365 account while using the mobile app. So if this video has been helpful, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel. Let's get into it. So on the mobile app, go up to the top right, the avatar section, click in there, and then from there on the top left we can actually see our entire balance that's on our Bet365 account. We have £10 in there, and then underneath it says £10 is withdrawable. On the right hand side there's £0 in bet credits because I've not been credited with any free bets at the moment. But just to confirm, anything that says bet credits, if your bet credits are £50 or £100, you cannot withdraw that money because that is free money from Bet365 to actually play around with their software. However, on the left, the £10 that says withdrawable, that's the maximum that we can actually withdraw today on our account. So what you want to do is hit bank, the button on the middle left underneath account, press in there, and then it's going to bring you to this page right here, press withdraw. And then from there it says withdraw to Visa debit, and then the last 4 digits of your debit card. This is the card that I actually deposited funds from into my Bet365 account, and now Bet365 is going to remember that card, and if you want to withdraw, you can withdraw back onto that card and into your bank account. That's fine. Make sure the expiry date is correct, and then from there, withdrawal amount, I'm just going to say for the sake of this video, £10. And then once you're ready, press the green withdraw button, and that's going to withdraw £10 from your Bet365 account and credit it back into your bank account. As a final point, unfortunately, the money will not appear back in your bank account instantly. Sometimes it takes 3 days, sometimes a week. But if you feel something has gone wrong, make sure to actually contact Bet365 directly and tell them your issues. And so guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below as well. Thanks very much.